Hey people, here is today's tutorial. Please watch to the end and subscribe to this channel. Give this video a huge thumbs up. So I'm just going to take the measurement of the back and the front pattern, and then so that I will notice to know what to cut for the paper pattern. So unfold now is the width of the back pattern, 14 inches plus all the seam allowance, and the length here is 9 inches. So I'm just going to leave this open this way, then I'm just going to do our horizontal and vertical lines on this paper. But before we do that, take half an inch for your folding allowance to join the gown part, the gown down part to this basket weave. So you're just going to connect now with your ruler, then you have so that you have a straight line to work with, and after that you start. So I'm just going to start my measurement from this line. For the sake of the fact that you want to be accurate, you are starting from this point. So I'm taking the roll by 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches, and then you are still going to have half an inch here to turn in the M. Alright, 2 inches, so we are creating our horizontal lines this way by connecting all the spaces of the 2 inches marks. So let's rule with your ruler. So now we are going to create our vertical lines after our horizontal line has been created. To do that, you're just going to take the gap of 2 inches also from that point. You take it all through at the upper side and the lower side. You do that, and then you connect the lines with your ruler. And then that's all that is to it. Please, if you are yet to subscribe, please do so. Kindly subscribe to this channel and give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you. And all our verticals are also ready. Now what you want to do now is to start with your fabric. Cut a strip very long and 2 inches wide, and you start folding to place on your paper pattern. So you're just going to pick that fabric of 2 inches and then fold half an inch on both sides and bring it together like so, and then you're just going to start creating your basket by placing this fabric on the paper. Each lines will be taking the form of this fabric, and then you sew it down like so. It's quite easy. Just measure appropriately. Let your measurement be very accurate so that you have each of the boxes approximately 2 inches. Let the boxes be of the same measurement so that you have a uniform look on your basket. Now the next thing I'm doing now is to lock in, finish up the M by half an inch like I have placed my fabric now, and I'm doing. Then you fold it over again, and just in case you want a complete tutorial on this gown,
Please notify me in the comment section and I will be glad. I'll be so happy to drop a video on that. So after you may have joined the M, you've tidy up the M, you're just going to take your back pattern and fold into two. You divide that back pattern into two, and then you join it separately so that you have a nice flat side on the back pattern. Now you're just going to pick the front pattern and join it to the fabric. You do the same to the back and so on, and then you're just going to join the side of the dress to the M. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, give me a huge thumbs up, share this video and turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I upload new video. So I'm just joining the side of the dress now to finish up, and after you have done that, you're just going to turn it over, trim off all of the excesses you may have around. Then you iron, press it very well, then you rip off the paper, and that's all. Thanks for watching, guys.